Welcome back, friends! Today we are making butterfly pea flower tea with ginger and pandan leaves. We put pandan leaves mainly for its fragrance. Of course, it has health benefits. The leaves are normally tied into a knot because it's more easier to handle when it's shorter and in one clump. Pandan leaves really imparts fragrance in everything you put it into. Next is ginger. This is an ancient herb that's been used throughout history for its medicinal benefits. I drink ginger tea to find relief from a sore throat or a cough and other symptoms associated with the common cold. It has also been found to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And we have the star of the show, the butterfly pea flowers. Aside from its many culinary uses, it offers various health benefits which are increasingly supported by modern science. Butterfly pea flowers are available in dried or in powdered form. Powders are often used for coloring desserts and smoothies, while dried ones are best for making tea, which releases such an intense, beautiful blue color. They are available online like Lazada, Amazon, or you can check out your nearest supermarket or grocery store. Let's go back to our preparation. Now we have 2 liters of water, then just toss everything inside, the dried butterfly pea flowers, ginger, and the pandan leaves. Set the fire on high temperature to put the water to boil quickly. Now while we are waiting for the water to boil, let's talk about the other benefits of the butterfly pea flowers. When the water has boiled, simmer for 5 minutes before turning off the gas. Allow to sit for 5 minutes without further heating. Be sure not to steep the flowers too long, otherwise the taste will become strong and less pleasant. The indigo flowers contain flavonoids, found in almost all fruits and vegetables. Flavonoids are powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory and immune system benefits. Pour the tea through a fine sieve before serving. If desired, serve your tea with a thin round of lemon for some complementary acidity. You might also appreciate a light drizzle of honey or maple syrup. So now there you have it, the butterfly pea flower tea. Thank you for watching.